Hello everyone, I hope all are doing good. Here I welcome you all to the e-classroom of Khadaria. In this session, we learn about the structure of a human eye. The eye is a photoreceptor. The eye is one of the important sensory organ in the human body. It is composed of muscular tissue, connective tissue, neural tissue and mainly responsible for vision, differentiation of color. The human eye can be differentiated approximately 10 to 12 million colors and maintaining the biological clock of the human body. The human eye can be compared to a camera as both functions by gathering, focusing and transmitting the light through the lens for creating an image of an object. Structure and functions of human eye. The human eyes are the most complicated sense organ in the human body, with several parts fixed together form a spherical structure. Every part of the human eye is mainly responsible for a certain action. The structure of a human eye can be broadly classified into two types. One is external structure, another one is internal structure. As we know, external means the outer part of the eye, internal means the inner parts of the eye. The external structure of an eye. The parts of the eye that are visible extremely comprise of the external structure of the eye. There is a 5 parts in the external structure, which is sclera, conjunctiva, cornea, iris and pupil. First we will see sclera. It is a tough and thick white sheet that protects the inner parts of the eye. We know it as the weight of the eye. Conjunctiva. It is a thin transparent membrane that is spread across the sclera. It keeps the eyes moist and clear by secreting small amount of mucus and tears. Next one is cornea. It is the transparent layer of membrane that is spread over the pupil and the iris. The main role of the cornea is to refract the light that enters the eyes. Next one is iris. It is a pigmented layer of tissues that makes up the colored portion of the eye. Its primary function is to control the size of the pupil depending on the amount of light entering it. Next one is pupil. Pupil is the small opening located at the middle of the iris. It allows light to come in. Thank you.